After a little over 6 months, it's finally time to make an upgrade that's been on the list the whole time. We purchased our Model 3 from Hertz Rental Car. It was a retired rental car. It was 2 years old, had 57,000 miles on it. And one of the things that was its flaws was that the wood trim area on the dash had been sun bleached and was kind of flaking a little bit. So it's been on my list to replace that, or at least put something else there aesthetically on the dash. Now, Yeslac has sent us some carbon fiber dash trim pieces for both the dash itself and the door panels that should fix that problem, give us a nice overall look, and make the car feel a little newer on the inside. If at the end of this video you want to purchase a set of these for yourself, the link is down in the description, and if you enter the promo code SPINNER, you'll receive an additional 20% off your purchase. First thing I'm going to do is a test fit and just see how the pieces fit. I'm going to line it up and see how tricky this is going to be. So it looks like it's just going to line up. Might be a little tricky to do, but it shouldn't be. It'll line up right there on the bar. So we're good. Let me test one of the door panels as well. And I'm just making sure that that's not the right side. I'm just making sure that it's going to fit correctly. And it just pops right in there on top of the wood grain. And there we have it. Now, Yeslac didn't tell me to test fit, I just wanted to do that on my own, but the next step that they recommended to me was to take some rubbing alcohol and wipe down the surface that I'm going to be adhering the carbon fiber to, and then once we're done with that, take one of the adhesion promoters that they included in the package and wipe it down again before we put the trim piece on. I don't know if you can see that, but here's where some of my sticker of this wood grain is coming up.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Next thing we're going to do is remove the backing over the 3M adhesive that's going to hold this on. All right, and get them all together, and oh, that was almost so cool. I almost got that in one shot. There we go. So now I have to be very careful about how I place this, because with the 3M adhesive I get one shot. So I'm going to just kind of hover it over before I press it down. I'm already upside down, so let's do that. I wasn't upside down. Get it down there to the end, kind of line it up on the bar, this metal looking bar here. It is in place. And now, oh no, where'd that rag go? Oh, it's right here. Now I'm going to take my rag and I'm going to use this rag to push it down. It is a real carbon fiber, so it's rigid, and it's pushing that adhesive sticker back down, so now I don't have that peeling up problem. All right, the dash is in place. Alcohol pre-treatment, adhesive promoter. Then we're going to remove the adhesive backing from here. Line it up, get into the corner, follow the metal bar over to here. There we go. Get the rag and push it down. Ooh, that looks kind of pretty. Alcohol rub down, adhesive promoter. See, come at it from this side, it's a lot easier. Remove the adhesive backing. Gonna line it up again using this little chrome piece as a guide. And there we go. And that's how easy it is to install this dash trim. Now, I opted for the matte finish carbon fiber. It is also available in glossy if you want that. With the sunlight like we get in Texas, I figured the matte would be easier on my eyes. Fast forward to a week later, we installed the carbon fiber dash trim exactly 7 days ago. I've been driving around with it in place. Nothing untoward has happened. Everything's still behaving appropriately. Nothing rattles or anything like that. The biggest things that I can say for it are that it was not really an upgrade for us. It was more of fixing a problem with ours, because our wood grain was starting to peel up a little bit and it was no longer smooth. Now, having taken this through with a wash, it's perfectly smooth, so that's a bonus. I really like the way that it looks inside the car, but something that I hadn't thought of is that it's less distracting to me when I'm driving. Sometimes the wood grain on the dash would draw my eye down to it occasionally, and this does not draw my eye down to it while I'm driving. However, when I'm stopped, I really like looking at it. So that is our kind of installation and review of these carbon fiber dash and door trim pieces. They are real carbon fiber. They are offered by Yeslac. The link is down in the description. And if you'd like to purchase these for yourself, just enter the promo code SPINNER and you'll receive 20% off of your purchase. Thank you very much for watching.